Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Transporter T32 Panel Van Commerce Pro, finished in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. This van features the Leighton Body Kit, which includes a rear spoiler, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels and Volkswagen lowering springs, giving it a distinctive and sporty stance. It also has features such as the automatic headlight control and power adjustable, power folding and heated exterior mirrors to improve visibility on the road, while your manoeuvring is made more confident with a 360 degrees camera system, which features front, rear and side cameras, supported by front and rear parking sensors. The Plyline's load space can be accessed through the rear tailgate or side sliding door, and there are lashing rings to secure your cargo. Inside, heated seats and electronically controlled air conditioning maintain comfort, while the upper cab partition is fitted with a fabric covering. The central seat folds down to create a flat surface, and there is plenty of storage throughout the cabin, including a dedicated glasses or sunglasses compartment. USB ports and a wireless device charging pad keep you connected. The heated, leather-wrapped, multifunction steering wheel incorporates adaptive cruise control with the speed limiter and also allows the driver to navigate through the digital cockpit. Entertainment and connectivity are enhanced by the Harman Kardon sound system with 4 speakers, DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, make the most of your camera system and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, and much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 Panel Van Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.